Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a sugarcane farm. First, how many blocks? So we're gonna make it 2 blocks. It's only gonna be one, but this is gonna be just only one sugarcane farm because it's gonna be so hard to make it. So we're gonna break all of